Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add the Midjourney bot to your server on Discord. So all you have to do is simply launch the Discord application on your PC and sign into your account. Then once you sign into your account, all you have to do is click on your server from the server list that appears. So click on the server icon and then select the server name at the top of the screen. So click on that. And then from the options that appear, all you have to do is select server settings. Now within the server settings, scroll down and find the app directory option and select it. And then you should get to this page. Now since you are looking for Midjourney app or Midjourney bot, all you have to do is simply click on the search bar at the top right corner and search for it. Then once you search from the search results, this is how it looks like. So all you have to do is simply click on it, Midjourney bot. And then all you have to do is scroll down and read all the commands that are currently available, and you should see all the permissions that are currently needed. So once you've read all through, all you have to do is simply click on Add App, and then you should see this section. So simply select Add to Server. Then from here, you should see Midjourney bot wants to access your Discord account. And then all you have to do is choose your server that you'd like to add the Midjourney bot to. So simply select your server and click on Continue. And then all you have to do is simply select authorize. Now give it a few seconds. Now you have to confirm you're a human, so you have to complete this captcha. So simply complete it and give it a few seconds, and you should see Midjourney has been authorized and added to your test server or to your server. So click on go to your server, and then you should see this option, Midjourney joined the party. Now let's say for instance, if you don't know the commands to use this particular bot, you can see them from your server settings. So all you have to do is simply click on the server name and then choose server settings. And then within the server settings, find the integration options, select that. And then all you have to do is find the Midjourney bot, and then you click on this manage option. So click on it. And then from here, simply scroll down and you should see the command section, and you should see all the list of commands that are currently available to use for that particular server. Now, once you've seen all the commands, you can simply go back and then type in the commands. So let's say slash and then imagine, and then type in anything you want, then press on enter. So for this, unfortunately, you need a subscription. So subscription required. Use the button below to subscribe, or the link to an account that already has a subscription. So if you'd like to subscribe, simply click on subscribe. Or if you have an account that has this subscription, you can simply click on link existing subscription. Now, once you have subscribed and set up everything, now you can use the Midjourney bot on your Discord server. So that's basically it on how to add it on your Discord server. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.